Hey guys, welcome to the best universe project ever.
Geocentric model. The geocentric model is a theory that the Earth is at the center of the universe.
Heliocentric model. A heliocentrism is a cosmological model in which the sun is thought to lie near a central point while the Earth and other bodies revolve around it.
The accepted model of the solar system is the heliocentric model. It is currently accepted because it's more accurate.
A brief overview of the solar system. We call it the solar system because it is made up of the sun and everything bound to it by gravity.
Characteristics of the planets. The solar system is host to two broad categories of planets. The four closest to the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are terrestrial planets. They have rocky surfaces enclosed by relatively shallow spheres. Gas and ice giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are outliers.
Size in comparison to Earth. The Earth is 6,371 kilometers, or 3,959 miles. Jupiter, in comparison, is 1,120% the size of Earth. Saturn is 945% the size of the Earth. Uranus is 400% the size of the Earth. Neptune is 388% of the size of the Earth. Venus is 95% the size of Earth. Mars is 53% the size of Earth. And Mercury is 38% the size of Earth.
The distance from the sun measured in astronomical units. Mercury is 0.4 astronomical units away from the sun. Venus is 0.7 astronomical units away from the sun. Earth is 1.0 astronomical units away from the sun. Mars is 1.5 astronomical units away from the sun. Jupiter is 5 astronomical units away from the sun. Saturn is 10 astronomical units away from the sun. Uranus is 20 astronomical units away from the sun. Neptune is 30 astronomical units away from the sun. Pluto is not a planet. Oh, wow!
The average temperature of each planet. Mercury has an average temperature of 167 degrees Celsius. Venus has an average temperature of 464 degrees Celsius. Earth has an average temperature of 13.9 degrees Celsius. Mars has an average temperature of negative 60 degrees Celsius. Jupiter has an average temperature of negative 145 degrees Celsius. Saturn has an average temperature of negative 138 degrees Celsius. Uranus has an average temperature of negative 195 degrees Celsius. Neptune has an average temperature of negative 214 degrees Celsius.
Rotation period. Mercury takes 176 days to rotate. Venus takes 242 days to rotate. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate. Mars takes 24 hours and 39 minutes to rotate. Jupiter takes 10 hours to rotate. Saturn takes 10 hours and 39 minutes to rotate. Uranus takes 17 hours and 14 minutes to rotate. Neptune takes 16 hours to rotate.
Orbital period. A year on Mercury is approximately 88 days. A year on Venus is 225 Earth days. A year on Earth is 365 days. A year on Mars is 687 days. A year on Jupiter is 4,333 days. A year on Saturn is 10,759 days. A year on Uranus is 30,687 days. A year on Neptune is 60,190 days.
What the planet is made out of. The planets in our solar system are made out of different things. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are small rocky planets made up of mostly of silicate minerals and iron and nickel metal. Jupiter and Saturn are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Uranus and Neptune have greater proportions of water vapor, ammonia, and methane. All four gas giants have rings made out of ice, dust, and small rocks.
The amount of moons the planet has. Mercury has no moons. Venus also has no moons. Earth has one moon.
Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter has 79 known moons. Saturn has 146 moons. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune has 14 moons.
Interesting facts. We see the same side of the moon. Coca-Cola was the first soft drink consumed in space.
Every day I'm shuffling.
The moon moves 4 centimeters away from Earth every year.
How various technologies have extended our ability to explore and understand space. Spacecraft has helped us with space exploration because they are essential to reach space. Telescopes are important because they help us see distant celestial objects that are otherwise too far to see with the naked eye.
Ways in which Canada participates in space research. ISS. Canada conducts research on the International Space Station. Collaboration. Canada works with NASA and the European Space Agency. Research opportunities. The Canadian Space Agency offers space science research opportunities. Space industry. Canada's space sector contributes $2.3 billion to the GDP and it employs 10,000 people.